2.061 limited to just 1965 units. The T01 60th Anniversary Special Edition, with its wood-patterned interior and retro-round headlights, was unveiled for the first time in Guangzhou. Following the launch of the new generation T01 model, several versions of the kit were released, particularly in terms of powertrains, including both petrol and diesel versions. One of the striking features of the new car is its retractable roof design, and its exterior design is a tribute to the first-generation T01 model. The front design of the vehicle, including the hood, grille and headlights, is very similar to the standard T01 T01. The 3 horizontal and 4 vertical design styles inherit the characteristics of the first-generation T01, while the round headlights add a retro feel. The front bumper adopts an entirely new design style. This simple, elongated shape is also in keeping with the design philosophy of the first-generation T01, and a protective bar design element has been added on top. The biggest difference between the new car and the standard version lies in the roof design. The new car adopts a removable soft-top structure, giving the roof a very stylish look. Additionally, a black stripe is used between the front fender and the front door, and a 60th anniversary logo is featured on the front door. Side air intakes have also been added above the rear fender. At the rear window, integrated with the soft top, is made of a soft material, while the trunk has a side-mounted design, protecting the rear-mounted tire and perfectly complementing the design of the new front and rear bumpers. The interior upholstery will remain largely the same as the standard version, the main difference being the adoption of a new color scheme. The steering wheel and center console area will also feature wood-patterned decorative elements. Currently, the T01 T01 is offered with both petrol and diesel engine options, and a plug-in hybrid version was also showcased at this auto show. Therefore, the 60th Anniversary Special Edition continues to offer a wide range of engine options.